Geoffrey Kapusa's passing is indeed a profound loss for the Malawian entertainment industry. As the host of the beloved show Music Splash, he not only entertained audiences, but also served as a beacon of inspiration for aspiring artists and performers across the nation. His warm personality, genuine passion for music, and dedication to showcasing local talent endeared him to viewers of all ages. Throughout his career, Kapusa played a pivotal role in shaping the landscape of Malawian television, elevating the visibility of homegrown talent and fostering a sense of community through the power of music. His contributions extended beyond the confines of the screen, as he became a respected figure and mentor within the industry, nurturing the next generation of broadcasters and artists. The news of Kapusa's passing has sent shockwaves throughout the entertainment community, with an outpouring of tributes and condolences from fans, colleagues, and friends. His legacy will continue to resonate through the timeless memories he created on Music Splash and the countless lives he touched with his kindness, generosity, and unwavering commitment to his craft. As we mourn the loss of this remarkable individual, let us take solace in the lasting impact he has left on Malawian entertainment and cherish the memories of his remarkable contributions. Geoffrey Kapusa's spirit will live on through the music he shared and the lives he touched, forever ingrained in the hearts of those who had the privilege of experiencing his talent and warmth. May he rest in eternal peace, knowing that his legacy will endure for generations to come.
As that was not enough, Malawians living and working in South Africa were shown the exit door in one of the worst xenophobic attacks in the recent years. Take 3. As that was not enough, Malawians living and